We will go through 100 adjectives today. We should use them in our daily conversation and writing. So let's get started and start with some nice words. Attractive, attractive. Beautiful, beautiful. Brilliant, brilliant. Cheerful, cheerful. Colorful, colorful. Cute, cute. Generous, generous. Handsome, handsome. Helpful, helpful. Kind, kind. Loving, loving. Pretty, pretty. Rich, rich. Wonderful, wonderful.
Zara, I think we have some great words. Let's talk about some words which define the size, such as big, big. Broad, broad. Enormous, enormous. Flimsy, flimsy. Gigantic, gigantic. Large, large. Short, short. Slim, slim. Tall, tall. Thin, thin. Tiny, tiny.
Let's get some more confidence and be more adventurous. Adventurous, adventurous. Brave, brave. Clever, clever. Courageous, courageous. Daring, daring. Fearless, fearless. Intelligent, intelligent. Sporty, sporty. Strong, strong.
Wow! Are you tired, Zara?
No.
Okay, good. So don't be confused. Actually, the next word is also confused. Confused. Fast. Fast. Foolish. Foolish. Miserable. Miserable. Muddled. Muddled. Poor. Poor. Quick. Quick. Rapid. Rapid. Silly. Silly. Speedy. Speedy. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Unlucky. Unlucky.
Well done, Abdul Hadi.
Thank you.
Anger is not good. The reason I am saying this is that there are so many forms of anger and I have a large collection around it. Let's hear it. Aloof, aloof. angry, angry, awful, awful, bad, bad, bald, bald, cheeky, cheeky, dangerous, dangerous, despicable, despicable, disgusting, disgusting, dreadful, dreadful, evil, evil, frightful, frightful, furious, furious, greedy, greedy, harsh, harsh, horrible, horrible, horrid, horrid, idle, idle, lazy, lazy, mad, mad, mean, mean, nasty, nasty, naughty, naughty, odd, odd, rude, rude, savage, savage, selfish, selfish, terrible, terrible, ugly, ugly, unfriendly, unfriendly, unworthy, unworthy, vicious, vicious, wicked, wicked.
Wow! That many? I cannot believe it. After so many nasty words, let's get cool down. Calm, calm, contented, contented, happy, happy, jolly, jolly, joyful, joyful, merry, merry, quiet, quiet, satisfied, satisfied.
Good and bad situation and characters are part of life. I have a few more left. Careless, careless, forgetful, forgetful, sloppy, sloppy, untidy, untidy, wasteful, wasteful.
I think we heard enough of some unpleasant words. Let's end our today video with some soothing words. Delicate, delicate, dozy, dozy, drowsy, drowsy, feeble, feeble, fragile, fragile, frail, frail, soft, soft, weak, weak. Zara, can you read all of these 100 words as fast as you can?
Let me give it a try. Attractive, beautiful, brilliant, cheerful, colourful, cute, generous, handsome, helpful, kind, loving, pretty, rich, wonderful, big, broad, enormous, flimsy, gigantic, large, short, slim, tall, thin, tiny, adventurous, brave, clever, courageous, daring, fearless, intelligent, sporty, strong, confused, fast, foolish, miserable, muddled, poor, quick, rapid, silly, speedy, unfortunate, unlucky, aloof, angry, awful, bad, bald, cheeky, dangerous, despicable, disgusting, dreadful, evil, frightful, dreadful, furious, greedy, harsh, horrible, horrid, idle, lazy, mad, mean, nasty, naughty, odd, rude, savage, selfish, terrible, ugly, unfriendly, unworthy, vicious, wicked, calm, contented, happy, jolly, joyful, merry, quiet, satisfied, delicate, dozy, drowsy, feeble, fragile, frail, soft, weak, careless, forgetful, sloppy, untidy, wasteful. Abdul Hadi, can you give it a try?
Okay, let me try.
Attractive, beautiful, brilliant, cheerful, colorful, cute, generous, handsome, helpful, kind, loving, pretty, rich, wonderful, big, broad, enormous, flimsy, gigantic, large, short, slim, tall, thin, tiny, adventurous, brave, clever, courageous, daring, fearless, intelligent, sporty, strong, confused, fast, foolish, miserable, muddled, poor, quick, rapid, silly, speedy, unfortunate, unlucky, aloof, angry, awful, bad, bold, cheeky, dangerous, despicable, disgusting, dreadful, evil, frightful, furious, greedy, harsh, horrible, horrid, idle, lazy, mad, mean, nasty, naughty, odd, rude, savage, selfish, terrible, ugly, unfriendly, unworthy, vicious, wicked, calm, contented, happy, joyful, jolly, joyful, merry, quiet, satisfied, delicate, dozy, drowsy, feeble, fragile, frail, soft, weak, careless, forgetful, sloppy, untidy, wasteful. I hope you learned something new today. Please make sure that you like, subscribe and share our videos. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!